Hola! Hi you guys, thanks so much for stopping by. I'm Leslie. I fell in love with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics lip kit in the nude. This is just, I think it's 6 of his nude colors. It says right here, open for nudes. Please ignore the lilies that I had. I had them close to it and I just kind of got it dirty right there. But that's okay. No, I lied. There's 8. There's 8 shades in here. This is how it looks. I spoke about this in my favorites video last month. And I've been wearing these non-stop, you guys, but I wanted to show you how I wear them. This is going to be just, you know, my opinion on how to wear it. You don't have to wear this exact same way, but it gives you guys an idea of how to wear these nude liquid lipsticks. I want to address a couple of things before I get started. First of all, I have been gone for 2 weeks, you guys. Alright, so I have good news and bad news. So, the bad news is that I have eczema. I just found out that I have eczema. I thought that I had an allergic reaction to something, and I thought that that's what was causing like highs all over my body, and that's why I did not film. It was literally like itching me. It was, I don't wish eczema on my worst enemy. That's all I want to say, first of all, because it was the worst feeling I've ever had in my entire being. I hope that I never have to experience something like that ever again. I know that I will, but I will be doing a video on that where I talk to you guys about eczema and my experience. Anything can cause eczema to flare up, but we're not talking about that today. Today, it's all about the nudes. Let me tell you guys what shades are in here. They have the shades at the back, which is kind of convenient, and I love the packaging of this. So I kind of keep it and I kind of put it on my makeup dresser with all my makeup, which is like right here, and I love it. I'm so happy right now that I'm filming because I haven't filmed in 2 weeks. So I'm excited. Okay. This set includes Skin Tight, Mannequin, Celebrity. Oh, let me be a good YouTuber and open it while I talk about them. So let's go. Okay. We have, you know what? I could do it from the front here. We have Skin Tight, Mannequin, Celebrity Skin, Posh Spice, Rose Matter, Gemini, Leo, and Androgyny, which is my favorite. I love androgyny. So, with that being said, let's get started. I'm trying a different lighting today. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this lighting is a little bit more orangey than normal, but the other light that I had is so white and casty. I don't like it. All right, the first color we're gonna start with is called Skin Tight. This is my least favorite color in the whole box. You can imagine why. It's really, really light. You guys like my shirt that I got from Pretty Little Thing? Look at that, look at that. I thought for the occasion I would do nude shirt and, you know, keep it nice and nudish. But yeah, but this one here is like this little like crop top. Let me show you guys. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's so stinking cute. Oh my god. This is going to get worn. I love Celebrity Skin. And you know how a lot of times people hate like the wrinkles in their lips? I love my wrinkles in my lips. I think it's a beautiful thing. I think that's my most favorite. I don't like a lot of things about my lip, but my lips, the wrinkles in my lips are my favorite. I love it. This combination, die for. Are you good? Okay, we're good. Alright, so tell me why I forget to tell you guys the good news in the intro. I think I'll have to put that. I think I have to put this clip here in the intro. Okay, so the good news is that I will have a vlog up on Wednesday. As opposed to having like a video going on, I will have a vlog up for you guys. So that's the good news. I was vlogging for you. I did not vlog while my skin was, you know, itchy and whatnot, but I do have pictures of it that I will include for any of you who are interested, you know, in seeing something like that. And I will have a disclaimer saying, you know, it's coming up very soon, blah, 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 for those of you. So let me just do, because my battery's dying on my laptop and on my camera. Alright, so that is all the liquid lipsticks, all 8 of them. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And if you want to see me master any other liquid lipsticks or any product at all, definitely put it in the comments down below. Don't forget that I post videos every Wednesday. I will have a video on Wednesday for you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell. It just kind of lets you guys know when I post my videos and what time. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, my loves. Bye, my pumpkins. Have a great day. I'm going to be showing you guys how I master the celebrity. What? But I love these liquid lipsticks. I did talk about them in my favorites, which is down below, which is, the card is here. Here, the card is gonna be here. Did I do that right? Or here, I don't know. The card is gonna be up here, and you guys can click on my favorites to check it out. Don't wanna just put like, slap on a nude lip, and they wanted like a combo, and I'm running on, and I'm rambling. So yeah. That was not right. If you want to see how first of all, I know that I have not posted a video in 2 whole weeks. Why do I have 3? I have 3 up, but yeah, I meant to say like 2, not 4, like 2. So I went to a doctor and he's like, yeah, boo, you have eczema. I just got my skin just burst into flames, and this Wednesday coming, I will have a vlog up. Woo woo. Woo-hoo. I haven't vlogged in a long time. It will not be of me and my eczema. I'm so sorry. I did not film anything at all. I was not on camera. I did not post anything like anywhere. So yeah, that's happening. But I do have a vlog up. I'm vlogging today as well. I am headed to Sephora. Then I'm headed to get some coolant for my range. So I'm gonna do that, and then I am going to, that's it, buy some shrimp and make some curry shrimp. Like, my life is boring. What else? I made it seem like I had so much crap to do. Like, I went all out. Like, I had planned and everything. Like, you know what? I'm gonna go. It was so nice talking to you guys, and I am so happy to be filming today. This has been like the happiest day like I've had in weeks.